For Bonfire Bucks, you are looking for the
What you got in that cup?
race. Both portions pay $500. Bonfire Bucks, good luck, guys.
Yes?
The first goal is in the monitor,
Yeah.
40-0.
Huh?
Game number 4 is coming up
To who?
next.
Oh. Okay. 30 jelly beans when she comes? She ain't gonna let me get none.
Once again, guys, we're playing your Bonfire Bucks Flash. You're looking for a 4-number dad and a downline race. Both portions pay $500. First two ball is 40 and 40. Up next, 75, 75.
Can I, jelly beans? Can I get some cash?
$75. Up next, 57, 57.
Here, cash. She ain't coming back.
57. G57. Up next, 66, 66.
Thank you.
66, 66. Up next, 62, 62. 62, 62. Up next, 43, 43.
Real bad.
43 and 43. Up next, 28, 28.
Real bad. Doing greasy.
28, I-28. Up next, 67, 67. 67, 67. Up next, 73, 73. 73, 73. Up next, 37, 37. 37 and 37. Up next, 65, 65. 65, 65. Up next, 23, 23. 23, I-23. Up next, 19, 19. 19, I-19. Up next, 30, 30. 30, I-30. Up next, 24, 24.
Are you freaking kidding me?
24, I-24. Up next, 21, 21. 21, I-21. Up next, 63, 63. 63, 63. Up next, 32, 32. 32 and 32. Up next, 36, 36. 36 and 36. Up next, 31, 31. 31 and 31. Up next, 35, 35. 35 and 35. Up next, 13, 13. 13. B13 that puts the 13 line on. Up next is 71, 71. 71, 071. Up next, 26.
Next
26.
number!
26. I-26.
Bingo!
On 26. Please hold your cards. This is going to be on the 4-number dad portion. She's got a hand raised for you. Straight through the door, 4 rows back. If it's a valid winner, we'll continue for the downline portion. And game 4 will be played after that.
You're lying to me.
Bonfire Bucks joining in 1946.
Good serial number?
180.
180.
Yes.
That's a full card with 26 in the pattern. One verified winner. Are there any others? Any of the bingos. Going once, twice, 3 times. We'll close that portion with 1 winner to receive $500. We'll continue for the downline portion. Your last ball was 26. Your next ball is 22.58. That'll do it. 13 to winner. Who's got course 13? Barbecue 13.
Oh, because it's a dog and a downline.
There we go. Downline 13 gets $500. Congratulations. Up next is game number 4.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Game 4. Putting on the Blackout 5-card strip. For your Blackout strip, you are looking for an either or coverall. You need 1 number in each box